Deep in the world's jungles, hidden amongst the shadows and leaves, lurk creatures of immense power and ancient lineage. They are the giants of their domain, the apex predators, the stuff of legends and nightmares. We're talking, of course, about giant snakes. Few creatures on Earth inspire such awe and terror as anacondas and pythons. These aren't your garden-variety garter snakes. These are colossal constrictors, capable of swallowing prey whole and squeezing the life out of creatures many times their size. Today, we're going deep into the jungle to meet these titans face to face. We'll delve into their unique worlds, examining their hunting strategies, strengths, and weaknesses. Finally, we'll dare to answer the age-old question: in a battle between an anaconda and a python, who would emerge victorious? Our first journey takes us to the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a realm teeming with life and ruled by one undisputed queen, the green anaconda. This isn't just any snake, it's the world's heaviest. A true behemoth that can reach lengths of over 20 feet and tip the scales at over 500 pounds. Imagine encountering this creature in its element. You're wading through murky water, the air thick with humidity and the scent of decay. Suddenly, you feel a ripple, a presence. Before you can react, the water explodes, and a wall of muscle and scales envelops you. The anaconda is an ambush predator, perfectly adapted to its watery domain. Its eyes and nostrils are positioned high on its head, allowing it to lie in wait beneath the surface, nearly invisible to unsuspecting prey. Once it strikes, its grip is inescapable, its powerful muscles constricting with bone-crushing force. Our next stop takes us across the globe to the steamy jungles of Southeast Asia, home to the reticulated python. This is the world's longest snake, a creature of incredible length and agility. While not as heavy as the anaconda, a large reticulated python can still stretch over 25 feet long, its body a mesmerizing pattern of diamonds and scales. Unlike the water-loving anaconda, the python is equally at home on land and in the trees. It's a skilled climber, its long body and prehensile tail allowing it to navigate the canopy with ease. But don't let its arboreal agility fool you. The python is a powerful constrictor, capable of taking down deer, pigs, and even primates. Pythons are ambush predators, relying on their camouflage and patience to lie in wait for unsuspecting prey. They strike with lightning speed, their jaws lined with rows of backward-curving teeth that ensure a firm grip. Like the anaconda, once the python has you in its coils, escape is nearly impossible. Section 4. Clash of the Titans. Strength, size, and strategies. So, we've met our contenders, two titans of the snake world, each possessing its own unique strengths and adaptations. But who would reign supreme in a hypothetical battle? Let's look at the stats. In terms of sheer size and weight, the anaconda has the edge. Its muscular body and aquatic lifestyle give it an advantage in water or on muddy banks. The python, however, is longer and more agile, capable of striking with incredible speed and precision. Both snakes are incredibly strong, their bodies designed for constriction and suffocation. The anaconda's bulk might give it an initial advantage, but the python's speed and agility could easily turn the tide. Section 5. And the winner is a hypothetical showdown. Predicting the outcome of such a clash is a dangerous game. In the wild, these encounters are incredibly rare, and the outcome would depend on a multitude of factors. The age and health of the snakes, the terrain, even the time of day. If forced to choose, I might give the slight edge to the anaconda, especially in a watery environment. Its sheer size and power would be formidable. However, underestimate the python at your peril. Its speed, agility, and deadly precision could easily spell doom for even the mightiest anaconda. Ultimately, the true winners in this epic showdown are the snakes themselves. These magnificent creatures remind us of the incredible diversity and power of the natural world. They are a testament to the forces of evolution and a reminder that we share this planet with creatures far older and wilder than ourselves. Don't forget to check out more incredible animal encounters on Scarhound. Subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready for more adventures into the wild.